Welcome to the Insurance Agents and Brokers Podcast.
Hello everyone. First of all, let me begin by saying that I hope you're doing well today. Let me introduce myself. I'm Don Bankus, IA&B's Legal and Corporate Affairs Director, and I'd like to welcome you to the November 2023 Primary Agent edition of Don's Discussions. So without further ado, let's get to this month's question. This month's inquiry is, on occasion, lenders may demand that I include a simple phrase such as property insured at replacement cost in the remarks section of the ACORD 27. Do the official instructions for the ACORD 27 provide any guidance regarding what to include in the remarks box? And the answer is, as you're all well aware, agents are often asked to include extraneous information on the evidence of property insurance form. It's generally recommended that the information that an agent adds in the remarks box be limited as per the ACORD 27 instructions guide. The current ACORD 27 instructions for the remarks box provides as follows. Enter text. The additional comments or special conditions that may exist upon the policy. ACORD 101 additional remark schedule may be attached if more space is required. The fundamental recommendation here is that as long as the information you include or are being asked to include in the remarks section isn't illegal, meaning that it's not a violation of an insurance or other law or other regulation, and most importantly, the information you include is not a misrepresentation of any policy terms or conditions, inclusion of such information is not expressly prohibited. To assist in limiting the agency's exposure, and as an added precaution if it becomes necessary to include information in the remarks section, it may be prudent to add a statement thereafter that the information you included is to the extent provided in the attached enclosed policy forms, and then provide copies of the applicable policy forms and/or endorsements. Given that policy language may differ in both broad and nuanced ways from carrier to carrier, and possible issues associated with co-insurance related coverage requirements, etc., simply typing a generic phrase such as replacement cost on the form with nothing more could be ambiguous in context and subject to interpretation. As a rule of thumb, if the information references you intend or are requested to add in the remarks section fall outside the four corners of the policy and/or the applicable endorsements, you should refrain from adding such language. And that's it for today. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out and contact me at 800-998-9644 at extension 603 or email me at donb@iabforme.com. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you have a great day, and please continue to be well and safe.
Insurance Agents and Brokers is the premier resource and champion for independent insurance agencies in Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Delaware. For more information, visit iabforme.com. This is not a legal opinion and should not be relied upon as such. It is to provide general background regarding the topics discussed, not to provide legal advice. Producers and agencies should consult an attorney regarding specific situations and questions with respect to the topics covered. Neither IA&B or any of its employees shall be responsible for any errors or omissions regarding any statements, nor any statutes, regulations, court rules, and/or government documents cited.